Welcome once again to Foodie Down Bronx. Make sure you stay connected to us on Instagram at BronxNet TV, at Foodie Down Bronx, and follow me at The Hungry Dominican. On today's show, we'll head over to Gustiamo's holiday open house with Beatrice. And then we'll hang with Jason of Empanology to check out his holiday pop-up at the Bronx Brewery. But before all that, let's do what we do at the top of every show. Let's get into this week's Chew News. Over the weekend, we were able to attend the Taste of the Bronx holiday pop-up over at the new BronxNet studios at the Hub. Let's check it out.
It's no secret the Bronx is bursting with flavor and creativity. Bronx entrepreneurs gathered at BronxNet's latest studio located at the Hub for the Taste of the Bronx monthly pop-up market. Co-founders Rebecca Scott and Paul Ramirez discussed the importance of bringing the Bronx together.
As co-founders of Taste of the Bronx, we actually own separate businesses on our own. And we've seen the struggles of what it is to get your brand out and really to have the platform to launch you to success. You know, so it's really important to us that we help other Bronx businesses really understand what it means to be out there and represent a brand.
With over 20 vendors, the pop-up market is proving the Bronx means business. One of those businesses is family-owned Saps Forever LLC, who gave us a taste of their hot but healthy 5-Island Blend low-sodium hot sauce and explain why it's a great addition to any meal.
We're gonna taste 5-Island Blend pepper sauce on mango to make it a little exotic. We use mango to give it a different flavor. Yes, this is very hot.
Of course, we know in our community, diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol is rampant. So this is my wife's way of, just giving back to let people know that you can have the flavor without having the headache.
Keeping up with the theme of hearty and healthy, Bronx eatery Nana's a Vegan is introducing vegan soul food to Bronxites in the hopes to reverse some of the community's health conditions.
The company is called Nana's a Vegan. It's named after my late mother, who everybody called Nana. She wasn't vegan. We highly doubt she would go vegan, but I thought, what if I veganized her recipes? All the benefits of veganism, like the health benefits and things like that, what if they were able to reverse some of the health conditions she had? It's the same wishful thinking that I have for the Bronx community at this point, too.
Taste of the Bronx is more than just showcasing the best Bronx eateries. Today, we're using all of our senses to support Bronx businesses this holiday season.
It's really meaningful. Taste of the Bronx is all about collaboration. So as Paul just mentioned, we're raising awareness through our platform of different Bronx businesses, but we're also letting Bronxites know all of these businesses exist, and let's support local. Let's help sustain our local businesses.
To learn more about how you can help sustain Bronx businesses going into the new year, visit tasteofthebronx.com for updates on upcoming pop-up events and more. Reporting for BronxNet, Kibin Aline.
All right, guys, that is this week's Chew News, giving you a little food for thought. Foodie Down Bronx will be right back.